Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of Peugeot 308. The Peugeot 308 is a competent small family car, but it doesn't excel in any particular area.
There's plenty of head and leg room up front and decent rear set headroom, but not enough leg room. However, the driving position is compromised with offset pedals and restrict rear visibility. The ride is uncomfortably firm, and the 308 can be unsettled by mid-corner bumps. It grips well, but never feels nimble. Overall, it falls well short of class leaders in this area. It's a different story when it comes to refinement. However, with minimal wind and road noises, even at motorway speeds, the engines are also smooth and quiet. The 308 has a good safety record with a 5-star Euro NCAP crash test rating and ISO FIX child seat mounting points. You'll get an official average of 43.5 mpg from the 1.4 liter and 42.2 mpg from the 120 bhp 1.6 liter petrol model. The 150 bhp version does 39.8 mpg, and the 175 bhp version of 37.1 mpg. Of the diesels, the less powerful 1.6 liter hits 62.8 mpg, with the more powerful engine doing 55.3 mpg. The 2.0 liter diesel does 51.4 mpg. Servicing costs aren't expensive, and there are plenty of independent garages that specialize in Peugeot. As long as the work is carried out on schedule and using the correct parts, this shouldn't dent resale values. The cooling system can go wrong, either by not cooling the engine or going into overdrive when not required. The diesel particulate filter can also give problems with a fault light appearing on the dashboard and the car refusing to start. Some owners also complain of manual gearbox problems, leaving the car stuck in neutral. Electrical issues also crop up, so check all switches and controls work correctly. There have been a number of recalls for the Peugeot 3.308, including problems with the brakes, headlights, and electrics. A franchise dealer should be able to tell you if the work has been carried out. The 95 bhp 1.4 liter petrol model is acceptable as long as you're not in a hurry, but the 120 bhp 1.6 liter has noticeable more pep. There's also turbocharged 1.6 liter with 140 bhp, 150 bhp, or 173 bhp. In any state of tune, this engine is entertaining but pushes up running costs.
Those shopping for diesel can choose between the 89 bhp or 108 bhp 1.6 liter engines, with the 108 bhp unit being the better buy, or the rare 134 bhp 2.0 liter. Urban trim models miss out on alloys and aircon, but do get electric front windows, ISO FIX fixing points, 6 airbags, and a CD player. S trim adds climate control but little else, while Sport brings alloys, cruise and stability controls, and fog lights. Range topping SE trim adds a panoramic glass roof, dual zone climate control, and Bluetooth. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention.
It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.